Hello students, today we are going to study the new chapter Heat and its Effect. All of us feel heat or hot in summers, isn't it? Yes. So today we will study about the heat and its effects. So first of all, what is heat? Heat is a form of energy and it is also known as the thermal energy. There are other forms of energies, and the other form of energy can be converted to heat energy, and heat energy can be converted to other form of energy. For example, when we rub our hands together, the mechanical energy get converted to heat energy and we feel that our hands are warm. When fuel is burned, chemical energy stored in the fuel gets converted to heat energy. The heat energy of burning petrol is converted to the mechanical energy as in car. In an electric heater, the electrical energy is converted to the heat energy. We supply the electrical energy to the heater, but it converted it into heat energy. We feel hot in front of electric heater. In powerhouse, heat energy of burning coal is converted into the electrical energy. Students, when a solid, a liquid or a gas is heated, its molecule gain energy and start moving faster. The more we heat the substance, the faster its molecule move. So heat energy is the energy of movement of molecules. Now, when we heat a substance, what are the various effects that we observe? Suppose you people have a vessel or a bowl and you have to fill it with water. Now drop a few pieces of vegetables in it, heat the vessel, and now you people have to observe the changes. First, the water become warmer. That is, its temperature rises. When we heat the water, it becomes warmer, its temperature rises. So the first effect is heat causes increase in temperature. As the water heats up, we supply the continuously heat to it. Some of it overflows. Its volume increases. So heat causes expansion. As the water boils, steam comes out of water. So we can say that water changes its state and thus this heat causes change of state. After the water has boiled for a few minutes, the vegetable become soft and their taste changes. That is, the vegetable get cooked. Cooking of vegetable is a chemical change. So we can say that heat causes chemical changes. If the water is examined under a powerful microscope before and after boiling, it is found that many bacteria that were earlier present in the water have died. Thus, heat affects living organisms also. This is because every organism can tolerate a definite range of temperature. And when we increase its temperature or decrease its temperature, definitely they get affected. So these are some effects of heat. Now, as I said that heat causes expansion, now we will explain it. When we heat a substance, the movement of its molecules increases. This increases the average distance between the molecules. Therefore, the space occupied by the molecules, that is the volume of the substance, increases. And we can say that heat causes expansion. It can be explained by doing an activity. You can see in the picture given below that it is the apparatus of ring and ball, known as the ring and ball apparatus. It consists of a metal ring and a metal ball. At normal temperature, the ball just passes through the ring. Now heat the ball and try to pass it through the ring. It will not pass through. The ball has expanded on heating. So the ball will not pass through the ring. Cool the ball to normal temperature, it will pass through the ring again. So it shows the expansion of substances in solid. Similarly, there is expansion in liquids. When we heat the liquid, the molecules get vibrated. But now the vibrations are more than the vibrations occur in the molecules of solid. So the result is that liquids expand more than solid on heating. The liquids expand more than solids on heating. Similarly, we can observe the expansion in gases. On heating a gas, the vibrations of its molecules increases. Since the molecules are not bound to each other at all, the average distance between the molecules increases considerably. As you all know, the molecules in gases are far apart as compared to the liquid and the gases. So, their vibrations increases more as compared to the solids and liquids. Hence, the expansion will be more in case of gases than in liquids or in solids. Thus, we can say that gases expand more than liquids and solids on being heated.